Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you for all your hard work. Thank you for playing with me. Thank you for helping me to learn. And I love you so much. And may God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope you stay young, even though you don't look young. And I hope you grow. And I hope you go stronger. And thank you for all your sacrifices, for playing with me before, even though you don't have time. Thank you for following us. Thank you for palagi nagpapa sa ulo ng mga stuff. And thank you for everything. Support, love, and hope. Thank you for sunshine. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you.
Hi Dad, happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything and always remember na nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo to support you and always love you forever and ever and ever. I love you, my best friend. Happy birthday again. Tired na ako, nag-walk tayo kanina eh. Love you.
Happy 38th birthday to our TDH. Tall? Check. Dark? So check.
Handsome, check.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you so much.
Yes, it's a lie.